Hello, hello, hello. This is your Dallas Spiritual Reader. I have told you everything is connected. I have told people that there are going to be plane crashes back to back, planes falling out the sky. The connection of it all is dot to dot. Recently we had a rapper called Takeoff. Takeoff was killed in Houston, Texas. But do you see this plane? This military plane was on an exercise demonstrating the craft until another plane, a military plane, collided. Notice the stairway silhouette in the clouds. Do you see what I see? The aftermath looks like a bomb exploded. Do you see what I see? Collecting evidence and body parts will be available. NTSB has arrived in Dallas. Family members was there viewing the show. You see, something spiritual about this is it was 6 dead at the end of the show. The federal authorities want to know what caused this pilot to crash into the other plane. The King Cobra is a United States fighter plane, mostly used by the Soviet forces during the war. That little plane took out this huge plane. It would be a long process for answers. The planes made contact over the arch of McDonald's. Do you see what I see? It was several thousand people attending the event. Even the roads were blocked. An area by the airport where art shows are often entertained. It's a long road ahead. Interviews has to be conducted. Plane parts, equipment, body parts has to be collected. But the truth will be in that black box. AR artists immediately brought crosses for the 6 victims. Notice the colors of red, white, and blue. The USA first sacrifice. It would be 2 more. Right on Veteran Day weekend. The pilots are mostly retired vets volunteering for the service of the USA. Just as the guy Terry Bunker, a man with lots of experience. He even fly for the airlines after return from the military. So the experience was there. Parker was one of the 6 people that died. There was another American Airlines pilot on board. His name was Led Root. Listen to that last name, the Root. A artist was compelled to drop off 6 crosses, and his sign says, Veterans American loves you. The crash site had one for each victim. He had 30 plus years of aircraft training. He was the pilot flying the small plane, Craig Hurtain. It was a beautiful view. He was enthusiastic because he knew he was going to retire in 2 years. Do you see the X on the plane that crashed into the larger plane? Do you see what I see? Now you see the debris of the aftermath. Do you see what I see? The first, but not